Oh no. This scene made me look a second time. The dump truck was climbing a hill, but the front end suddenly lifted more than 3 feet off the ground. All the weight shifted to the rear wheels, while the driver struggled to maintain control. Just one small mistake, and everything could end badly. Let's cheer them on with a like. Now let's watch these two giant machines take on a highway overpass. With incredible power and perfect coordination, they slowly crush each massive block of concrete. In just a short time, the entire bridge has completely disappeared. Huge chunks of concrete began to crumble. The sound of crashing echoed throughout the construction site as heavy cranes dismantled sections of the building. Dust filled the area, but the construction crew was prepared with a water spraying system to minimize the impact. After 180 minutes of continuous work, the structure was completely leveled. Not a second wasted. The JCB 426ZX, with its 150 horsepower diesel engine and 3.5 cubic yards bucket, is rapidly collecting the recently felled coconut trunks. Each bucket lift is a display of power, speed, and efficiency on the construction site. The Caterpillar 992G is a true giant of the mining industry. Weighing nearly 200,000 pounds and powered by a Cat engine with approximately 1,000 horsepower, this machine easily scoops up massive boulders with its 15.7 cubic yards bucket. A single lifting cycle is enough to load tons of material onto trucks. Its power and precision are incredible. Oh my God! Things looked like they were about to end badly. The 40-ton timber truck struggled to climb the muddy hillside, but kept losing traction. Thick engine smoke enveloped the area. When the situation became critical, a tracked vehicle appeared to help. It was a battle between machinery and terrain. And this time, the machinery won. It's hard not to be overwhelmed by the sheer size of this convoy. The lowboy trailer, approximately 49 feet long with a platform only about 2 feet above the road, is designed to transport machinery weighing up to 80 tons. When rolling down the highway, the entire convoy almost completely occupies a lane, creating a powerful spectacle. Do you know what this machine is? This is the John Deere 1025R, a compact yet powerful tractor. Its 1.3L diesel engine produces around 23.9 horsepower, while its four-wheel drive system keeps it firmly planted in snow over 12 inches deep. The nearly 5-foot wide front-facing blade easily pushes large piles of snow aside, clearing a path in minutes. This road was no easy one. Trucks loaded with 66,000 pounds of timber were struggling to get out of the deep mud on the hillside. Every acceleration was a battle. And then, unexpectedly, the machines lined up, working together to pull the convoy through the challenge. Give these machines some extra strength by commenting on one of the true warriors of the jungle. Weighing nearly 18,700 pounds and equipped with a nearly 100 horsepower 4-cylinder diesel engine, this machine was born to do jobs many other vehicles wouldn't dare attempt. With a steel cable winch system capable of pulling over 11,000 pounds, it easily moves logs dozens of yards long across slippery and treacherous hillsides. The mud was winning, at least for now. The tracked excavator was stuck in a sinkhole, sinking deeper and deeper. But thanks to the power of the 170 horsepower rescue machine and the skill of the operator, the mud was gradually removed. From tension to relief, the excavator finally returned to the surface safely. If you're passionate about powerful machinery and heart-stopping moments on the construction site, follow us to discover the true power of heavy equipment.